Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your Wallops Daily Weather Briefing. We have a gorgeous morning so far with clear skies and some nice fall-like temperatures. Saw some cool temperatures throughout the area earlier this morning, but temperatures have quickly warmed into the 50s as of 10 a.m. We take a look at our overnight low temperatures from last night. You can see a few areas making it down to below freezing, including the Wallops region here at the Wallops Flight Facility. We were down at 31 degrees for an overnight low temperature. Salisbury making it into the upper 20s for their overnight low temperature, and then 30s elsewhere throughout the region. You can see in the Tidewater region, overnight lows reading around 35 degrees at Norfolk, 31 degrees at Newport News. Yesterday we saw a pretty nice day with temperatures in the 50s and near 60 degrees throughout the region, 57 degrees here at Wallops. And as of the last 24 hours, no measurable precipitation throughout the region. As of 9 a.m., you can see those temperatures rebounding pretty quickly off the morning lows up to 50 degrees as of 9 a.m. here at Wallops under sunny skies. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, freezing level is at 6,800 feet. And our winds generally running out of a northwest to a westerly direction all the way from the surface up to 25,000 feet. Where at the 25,000 foot level, we see the max winds through the column at 64 knots. Looking at our current surface analysis, high pressure is in control this morning as we see the high pressure nosing in from the west. We're going to see dry conditions as a result, and no threat for any kind of precipitation today or for the next couple of days, as high pressure will remain the main story for us as we go through the midweek period. Looking at our satellite radar composite, just some ground clutter showing up throughout the region this morning. You can see those temperatures starting out the loop in the 30s, and then as we end the loop, seeing the temperatures rising into the upper 40s and then even to 50 degrees here as of 9 a.m. here at Wallops. No real big areas of clouds in our area as well, seeing a little bit of some high thin cirrus cloudiness off to the northwest, but mostly sunny skies throughout the region this morning. Looking at our forecast maps for the next couple of days, by this evening a frontal boundary will be just off to our north with high pressure building in from the west. That'll provide us with some clear skies tonight, some very low winds as well. Seeing those winds go calm overnight, we'll see a good radiational cooling event and those temperatures dropping into the 30s once again for overnight low temperatures. As we go into the day on Tuesday, pretty much the same story, maybe a few more clouds in store for us on Tuesday, but we'll average out as mostly sunny throughout the day on Tuesday as well, as high pressure really brings in some dry weather. And then as we go through the midweek period, we'll see this frontal boundary well off to the northwest quickly move through the region during the day on Wednesday. It's going to be a dry, weak frontal passage, and we'll barely see any influence at all except for a shift in our winds out of a north to northeast direction as we go into Wednesday evening. So a little bit cooler conditions expected as we end the work week on Thursday and into Friday. Taking a look at our next 24 hours, you can see temperatures expected to rise into the mid 50s today, maxing out around 56 or 57 degrees as we get into the afternoon, and then quickly dropping as we go into the evening hours under those mostly clear skies and those light winds. We'll see the temperatures dropping into the low 30s once again tonight, bottoming out around 33 degrees for our overnight low temperature. Winds will generally be out of a northwest direction as we go into the afternoon today, maxing out in the afternoon around 5 to 10 knots, and then becoming variable less than 4 knots overnight tonight, and we'll likely see those winds calm for several hours during the overnight period as well. Tides are currently running normal throughout the coastal sections of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning, and we're seeing the Taft showing mostly clear to clear skies with unrestricted visibilities as we go through the early morning hours on Tuesday. Looking at Tuesday's weather, we'll see mostly sunny and pleasant conditions, warming up to a daytime high of 59 degrees, so very pleasant conditions expected on Tuesday as well. So we go into Tuesday evening, expecting partly cloudy skies with a warmer overnight low temperature of 45 degrees, and then as we get into Wednesday, we'll see some mild conditions, probably the warmest day of the week with a daytime high temperature of 64 degrees. Looking at our extended forecast, temperatures warming into the mid 60s on Wednesday, And then as that weak frontal boundary moves through the region, we'll see temperatures dropping a few degrees for Thursday's high temperature, but still pretty comfortable for this time of year, up to 59 degrees on Thursday under mostly sunny skies. And then we'll see a little bit more of a significant frontal boundary passage late Thursday night into early Friday morning. We'll see temperatures at about 56 degrees by Friday morning. And then as we go into the weekend, we'll see temperatures falling into the low to mid 50s for daytime highs, 53 degrees under mostly sunny skies on Saturday, 54 degrees on Sunday. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning for your daily operations weather briefing at 8:15 and your look at your extended forecast at 10 a.m. Have a nice morning.